Southern Tangkhul Students' Union and Eastern Students' Union have voiced strong opposition to BJP-led central and state government's ongoing efforts for border fencing in Kamjong and Ukhrul districts. Speaking to media person at Manipur Press Club, Southern Tangkhul Students' Union President Yaricho Kashung stated that Manipur's territory extends to Ningthi River and any fencing efforts that do not consider this boundary is flawed. He highlighted the long-standing error in the border pillar placement that occurred during the Congress administration, which is now being continued under the BJP. He emphasized that a formal letter was sent to the Chief Minister of Manipur on September 20th, urging an immediate halt to the fencing. However, despite this appeal, an official order was issued on October 17 to proceed with the DPR for the fencing. Meanwhile, Eastern Student Union President Wung Naugthang Chitung reiterated the ancestral statement that Manipur's eastern boundary stretches up to the Ningthi River. Both unions demand an immediate cessation of the border fencing process, warning that failure to address their concerns could lead to undesirable consequences for which BJP governments at both center and central levels will be held responsible.
Kabo Valley have say Manipur ki khunni. Manipur ki lamne hain hoje hain ribni. Adubu fencing tawni hain have say. Ekoi kona muga regret lakani. Kona regret lak tabu shuruk budi. Hoje fencing se tawdu bida. Thingjan kibasina. Koi dia chumani have say. Ekoi Southern Tangkhul Student Union. Romdagi ekoi phondok chari. Ekoi ki dimana sidi tawba suya yaroi haibni. Adna kurigumba moina survey changba or district administration romdagi khangde. Law and order romdagi khangde. Any force the Kangde, fencing Togani, Hina Lakpa, Mio Kudimakto, Equi Yaknabuni, Equi Yabashunga Mamoy, Karigumba, Equina Haibuda, Tausha Bidida, Nampu Sapuda Taurodi, Equishu, Adu Chap Chaba, Stand Tauga, face Togani have said, Media Getruda, Pijari.
According to the Ninki Turen and the Chutney. Ninki Turen say, Aquagi, Adu Hogagi Lamni, Aduna borders here, was it called when the shit of Togani have said, for the Shungaya River. Aquagi border, Ninki Turen Hogni with it, Adu Chaptan Elecuni.